So here's us. It's falling. So guess what? So he's harvesting okra right there. And see. Right here. Okay, and the other one. Good job. Let's harvest that. Oh. Look how amazing that is. Okay. Very good. Hold on. There you go. Good job. Okay. There you go. Okay.
2. Now, let's do
Very good. Okay. Good job. Harvest of the day. So you're going to hold it? Okay. Okay. So there you go. You cut them. Perfect shape. Hold on. Okay, so here's our cutting chef. We'll cut them for you guys. And then she's gonna mix them with eggs, salt, pepper, and flour. Very good. Okay. So we're going to mix into eggs, and then we're going to dip into flours and crust. See a little crust right here? That's what we're going to do. And then we're going to deep fry them. She's gonna crack 3 eggs because we like eggs. So we're using our bowl. So we transfer okra to this bowl. And then we put it right there. So she's gonna add seasoning. Sprinkle. There you go. Sea salt. A little bit. Garlic. Shake, hold on. Okay, a lot of garlic. Good. Now pepper. If you like it a little bit spicy, then you do the pepper, the black pepper a lot. And a lot of garlic.
Got the hang of using the just got the hang of using the pepper because it's a little bit.
Add a little bit more sea salt. You like cooking?
Don't get too cooked in the kitchen. Oh, now we whisk it. Whisk it. I'm gonna crush up all the egg.
Those are backyard eggs.
It's from our chickens. They taste pretty good. They taste like normal eggs.
They're different color eggs.
Yeah. Now we're gonna get a big spoon and put 2 spoons filled of what is this?
Flour.
Flour.
And the crust.
And the crust. When they say big, I put like a big amount.
Okay. Just a half, okay?
A half cup of water.
Not all of it. Just a half.
Not all of it, just a half.
Okay, that's it.
Daddy, I'm just frozen. Gotta mix that and whisk that out. So, this is the easy one to cut. Because of the shell. And it's really though, see? And it feels like you're just cutting slime. mainly. But this one is an old one, so it's hard.
More mature.
More
so you don't want to harvest when they are too mature right here. So we're not going to cook that. We're just going to we're going to just cut the baby one.
What's that, Mom? Mom, what's that?
That one?
Yeah.
The eggs. Go ahead. It's a lot of fun, huh?
It's the biggest moments. See how many this thing can get.
Yeah, pull a couple of them and keep rolling. There you go. Perfect. Then we dry them right here. So here you go. We got that. That's it. Stuff for kids to do. Yeah, pick it up. It's fine. That's why you have a clean table. Good. All right, keep doing it.
Now we're going to check if the stuff is hot.
Put one first.
To check is how to see it.
Careful.
If the stuff is hot and it's boiling around it.
Almost.
It's a little bit hot. Hey, hey.
Let me see. What's that? Okra.
Fried okra.
How does it taste?
Good.
Good?
Hi guys, I'm going to be trying it now. It's very hot. And it's crunchy.
Crunchy.
This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like.
And that's our okra from our garden.
It's gonna be eating time. This is okra, fried okra that I'm gonna eat today.
Pretty good. First time we eat fried okra. You like it, huh? So this is our outdoor kitchen. When we do fry stuff, we do it outside. And that's our result.